Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajingya kran kebarang ya shakmat halur kajing penbet ya kajing rung ki brio ki banabar sha kajala Meghalaya kala jurbha hak bana kalyang menteri sarkar bar ubadeiru unong aiktian ke MDA 2 uba polling do ula penskam ba ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act kamdei ka an keblashna ban Bujli ya ke ena line permit kani kajing kran jong menteri kawan hadian bagi kenhun seng balang kila penken mau biang ya ke sarkar halor kajing dawa jongki ban pentri kamno ek ILP hagajala hadian ki kamrunar ki bedang shudap jashan hapo hagajala ki bala keno baki de ki breo ki bomdei ki trashnong ki balawanra ye ki jingja ki baharukam habakran shikla pathai khubor haga sngi tho diang halor kajing ong jong ka Voice of the People Party bag MRSSA kamla banlong ka an ka bami Bujli hagajaka jong ka ILP Menteri Ulaong bag MRSSA ka detang ka an belashna daga sarkar jila yak bala aban penkala nugu por kum ka jingdan kam ka sarkar jila ulakdo bag ILP kalami ina ka an jong ka Eastern Bengal Frontier Regulation haka porsen sharp hareng kumta hadu kat ni ka MRSSA kan ailat ru yak yeng dorbar jila banwanra yak jingpen kala na ka por shaka por katkum haka por badan kam Ulaong baka sarkar pedeng kadang bishar banya yak jingkerpat batikna jong ka jila Meghalaya banyo yak ILP
is not supposed to be a substitute or an adjunct to the ILP. But the MRSSA is a state law under which the government and also the state assembly had several rounds of debates. And it is, in one sense, an improvement upon the ILP because it has been drafted and framed by lawmakers of this century. The ILP emerged from the Eastern Bengal Frontier Act, which was framed by colonial rulers. So, to that extent, the MRSSA would also allow, say, the state assembly to come up with amendments from time to time, as and when needed. So I leave it to the wisdom of the electorate, but here we have a state act which we are at liberty to improve upon at any point of time without waiting for the centre's nod on the same.